Prepare your lab area and calibrate your fluorometer. Prepare your Aflatest developer per the instructions on the bottle. Developer is good for 8 hours. Be sure that your fluorometer has been calibrated to the proper red and green calibration settings as found in the instructions and tested with the yellow standard. Prepare your methanol mix. 60-40 methanol and purified water is used to dilute the samples. You can purchase premixed solutions from VICAM or create your own with HPLC-grade methanol. First, grind your sample. A slightly coarse grind like you'd use in a drip coffee maker is appropriate. Measure 25 grams. Next, measure 5 grams of iodine-free salt. Measure 25 milliliters of 60-40 methanol and water. Add the sample, salt, and methanol to the blender jar. Then set the timer just past 60 seconds and blend on high. While you're blending, prepare your fluted filter paper by placing it into a clean collection cup. Pour your blended mixture into the filter and begin collecting the sample. While the sample filters through, prepare for your next step of the procedure. Measure 20 milliliters of purified water. If you haven't already, now's a perfect time to clean your collection syringe. Use pure methanol and purified water to clean any residue left from the last test. Fold a microfiber filter to fit into the funnel. The folding technique shown allows maximum surface area for the filtration, but any way you fold it is just fine. Attach the Aflatest column to the syringe. The syringe coupler is simply a column cap with a bottom snipped off with a pair of scissors. If you lose the coupler, just make a new one. Now that our sample has been filtered, add 20 milliliters to our 20 milliliters of purified water to dilute. Mix the dilution by pouring back and forth into a clean vessel at least 3 times. Using the markings on the syringe barrel to measure, pour 10 milliliters of diluted sample through the microfiber filter into the syringe. Attach the air pump to the top of the syringe and carefully adjust to get 1 to 2 drops of sample through the column per second. This will take a little practice at first. When the sample is done dripping, allow air to flow through the column. Measure 10 milliliters of purified water to wash the column. Pass 1 to 2 drops per second through the column until air passes through the column. Once air has passed through the column, repeat the last step. Add 10 more milliliters of purified water and repeat. Remove the waste cup. Place a collection cuvette below the column. Then add 1 milliliter of pure methanol. Very carefully pass 1 drop per second through the column. Methanol is less dense than water, so it will flow quicker than in your last steps. Remove the cuvette. Add 1 milliliter of fresh Aflatest developer solution. Mix. Then clean the cuvette with a fresh Kim wipe before inserting into the fluorometer. Because you checked your calibration settings with the yellow standard, the fluorometer was set up to test for aflatoxin and was waiting for your sample. After 60 seconds, your results will print and appear on the screen. Remove the sample, and you're ready for the next test.